guys, this is Dr. Hub. Today we'll look at the period of the communicability, and this is going to be of the important diseases. So to begin with, first is we look at the chickenpox. So chickenpox, as we know, is a common disorder. So the period of communicability is 1 to 2 days, and this is going to be before 1 to 2 days before that of before 4 to 5 days. So 1 to 2 days before and 4 to 5 days after the appearance of the rash. Next, we move on to the Hep B. So in terms of Hep B, the infectability, the communicability will be 1 month before the appearance of jaundice. So 1 month before the jaundice appearance, and till the disappearance of HSAG. So till disappearance of the HPSAG. Next comes the measles. So measles is nothing but 4 days before to 4 days after the appearance of rash. So it's 4 days before and 4 days after the rash. Now let's look at the rubella. So what's happening in case of rubella? So in terms of rubella, it is nothing but 7 days before and 7 days after the rash. Next is mumps. In mumps, it is going to be 4 to 6 days before to 7 days after the symptoms onset. So 4 to 6 days before and 7 days after the symptoms onset. Then we move on to the pertussis. So what is meant by pertussis? So pertussis means 7 days before. So it is 7 days before. So all these are days. So it is 7 days before to 3 weeks. 7 days before to 3 weeks. To 7 days before to the 3 weeks. 3 weeks after the onset of the paroxysms. Then comes the diphtheria. So diphtheria is up to 4 weeks after the disease onset. So 4 weeks. So it is up to 4 weeks. This is after the disease onset. Next, looking at the meningococcal meningitis. So here what we have is till the meningococci are absent. So till the meningococci, they are absent. This is from the nasal or the throat swabs. Nasal or throat swabs. Then comes the presence of influenza. So we will look at the influenza. So influenza is it is 1 to 2 days before, and 1 to 2 days after. So influenza is 1 to 2 days before and 1 to 2 days after, and this is from the symptoms. Lastly, we look at the tetanus. So in case of tetanus, it is not communicable. So this was all about the important diseases and their period of communicability. So to learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.